Are you a beginner in cryptocurrency, stock, forex, and you don't know technical analysis? You don't know which indicator is best in order to create your own signal to buy and sell? Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Crypto Buy YouTube channel. Once again, I'm here with a useful video where I will show you how you can get $100,000 in order to start your paper trading, in order to test your technical analysis, in order to know how to buy and sell cryptocurrency. So let's get started. Before moving on, if you are new to this channel, so make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while upload a new video, because every day we are uploading video about crypto mining, crypto trading, and all the updates about cryptocurrency. Never hesitate to like our video, type your ID in the comment section, and share this video with all your friends. As I told you, if you are beginner in cryptocurrency, whether it's stock or forex, and you don't have enough experience in order to start your own, in order to create your own signal, just buying and selling cryptocurrencies, and you don't want to take risk in order to lose your funds, because nobody want to lose their real money. Everyone is coming on cryptocurrency, stock, forex in order to make profit, not to lose their funds. But if you are beginner and you don't know much about technical analysis, fundamental analysis, sentimental analysis, and you don't know which indicator is best in order to create your own signal, from where you should buy the coin and where you should sell the coin. So in this way, we have the best opportunity, we have the best website where you can get 100,000 USDT dollar in order to start your paper trading. Why paper trading is best? Why everyone or beginners should start with paper trading before starting trading with their real money? This 100 USDT dollar is fake money, not real money. The website or the platform just give you this fake money in order to start your paper trading, in order to just testing your technical analysis, testing your indicators, just getting experience. So by starting paper trading, you don't care about losing your funds, you don't care about profit, and you don't have any risk. You don't need to take risk, you don't need to just worry about losing your funds. So that's why everyone is talking about paper trading, that if you are beginner, start with paper trading. When you get experience, then just invest your real money and start getting real profit. Okay, this is the website Tradingview.com. Tradingview.com is, everyone is using this website because in here you can find stock, forex, cryptocurrency chart, and you can do your technical analysis using indicators. So here you can create 1 month free trial account here if you want the pro version, so just pay the fees. So once you come here, Tradingview.com, as I told you, in here you can use only the chart, nothing else. So this is the best platform that give us $100,000 in order to start our paper trading. On the same time, you can do your technical analysis and you can use indicators in order to just create a perfect signal. Beside that, we can create our own signal using screener. If you don't know, so I will give the link of the video that I have uploaded before. So just watch the video if you want to create your own signal. Once you come here, so create account, 30 days free trial, and then so simply in here you can see your watch list. So directly I will go to Bitcoins with USDT pair. So this is the Bitcoins chart with USDT pair. Once you come here, you can see this is the chart, and this on left side you can find all the technical analysis tool, like just drawing your pattern and head and shoulder, everything. This is the tool that you can use it, and from here you can apply any indicator that you want to use. And then in free version you cannot use more than 3 indicators at the same time. And then you can change any chart like Ethereum, XRP from here, a time frame. You can change it from here. Now, how you can start your paper trading and how you can get $100,000 in order to start your trading? Simply look at the bottom. Here you can you have 5 menu: stock screener, task notes, pine editor, strategy tester, and trading panel. Simply click on trading panel. Once you click here, then you will see this option, this interface. So simply click on paper trading. This is the paper trading. Simply click on connect. Okay, login. If you don't have account, if you don't log in or sign into your tradingview.com, then you cannot use paper trading. Make sure to create account, and once you create account, then simply come here and click on connect option. Once you connect your paper trading, then you will see this interface here. This one is the empty, the same thing, the same option you can find here, like just stop loss, the market, the average, take profit, stop loss, and then we have profit. So everything you will get here. So once you come here, then you will get $100,000 account balance. Even you can change the account balance amount. How? Simply click on paper trading and then reset paper trading account. From here you can set about $100, $1,000. You can change your balance. So I will select $1,000, click reset. Here now I have $1,000. So now how you can start your trading and how you can start just buying and selling and start your open your position. So the same thing, just like you are opening your position, long position, short position, the same thing you can do in here. So if you can't see this buy and sell button, how you can do it, simply right click on here and then simply click on show buy and sell button. If you off it, so now you can see the button is just hidden here, and right click and show buy and sell button, and then right click. Even you can create new order, simply click on create new order, or you can click on here this option. Simply click on this. Now you can open your order, open your position. Suppose from where you want to buy bitcoins. Here you have market price, limit price, and stop. So I will select the market price. I hope you know about market and limit, this one. So the quantity, how many bitcoins you want to buy. Suppose I want to buy about 1 bitcoins. Yeah, 1 bitcoins. Take profit, stop loss. Take profit, for take profit I want to take profit at 42,000. Yes, and then the stop loss. Stop loss, I want to set my stop loss about 40,000. So this is my stop loss and this is my take profit, and you can see 137. This is the dollar. So once you set everything, simply buy one Binance. Simply click on this option. Now you can see my position just open here. Let me check. Yes, you can see here my position Binance. I just open the long position, and then the quantity 1 bitcoins. Average fill price, this is my opening price, or this is the price just I open the long position. My take profit 42,000, stop loss 40,000, last price, this is the last price or current price. Profit, now I'm in losing $60 loss, but I don't care because this is the fake money. And then how you can close your trade, how you can close your position. On chart you can see, on chart this is my stop. Yeah, this is my take profit is here, and then my opening position is here, and my stop loss, let me show you, my stop loss is 40,000. Yeah, my stop loss is here, 40,000. This is my stop loss. I know the stop loss is not in a correct position, but this is, I'm just want to give you how you can do it and how you can use stop loss and take profit. So see, now I'm in profit, $1, $2. And then how you can change your take profit and stop loss. Simply click on here. From here you can change your take profit and stop loss. And then how you can close your position. Simply click on this close position. Now you can close your position. Simply click close position. Like this you can close your position, and I just get $7 profit. $7 profit. Like this you can do your paper trading, and then you can just buy and sell any cryptocurrency, whether XRP, Cardano. Just you can do your technical analysis, you can use indicators, and you can start your paper trading. Like this you can get more experience in order to start with real money. This was the method that you can get $100,000 in order to start your paper trading on tradingview.com. I hope you understand this video. I hope this video is helpful for you, because if you are a beginner, if you don't want to lose your real money, if you don't want to take risk, then use this website, start paper trading. Once you get more experience, then you can just open position and you can start trading with your real money. So I hope you understand this video. If you have any problem, question, please ask me in the comment section. Like this video, type your idea in the comment section, and still did not subscribe to our channel, so make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while upload a new video. To the next video, goodbye, see you.